Hey everybody. So the AP test requires a lot of sight singing, and we are not really used to singing, especially matching pitch, um, with our voice in class. So I just wanted to uh, get everybody who is maybe less comfortable with sight singing more comfortable with some strategies, and I'll type them up here. I know Mr. Easter has maybe uh, five or so tips for sight reading. I'm sure we're going to cover a lot of the same bases when I type them out. Alright, so step one is scan the whole song. Scan the whole song. Alright, so I have here some sight reading factory stuff. I'm looking at the song and I'm just literally just staring at each note. And I'm noticing, like, just getting familiar with it. You know, right in just scanning it, I kind of notice here's the lowest note. It's a C. Highest note is G. There's not a high range or a low range. It's pretty straightforward. I'm also noticing, that there's only two types of rhythms, quarter notes and half notes. And then there's one whole note at the end. Alright, so step one, scan the whole song. What sticks out? But even more simpler than that, like, just scan the whole song. Two, what is the rhythms? Oh, I didn't spell it right. What is the rhythms? What is the toughest rhythm? Rhythm. Step three. Are there leaps? Are there steps? Are there both? Alright, so I'm looking at the rhythms, and they're also pretty straightforward. I should have recorded this after I taught for a whole day. I'm so tired. Alright, now if you're on Sight Reading Factory, this is a soprano singing Sight Reading Factory level 1. You know, it's basically straightforward. Come over to the metronome, make it 70, you know, not too fast. 60 something to 70 is good for sight reading practice if you've never done it before. Right? Here you're going to be singing on the note La, right? And if it goes up by one step, you're going to raise your voice by a step. So I'll click here. Right? What I usually do is just read the rhythm first. Now in the actual test you can't do this, but for now you can. If you clap it. I just tapped or clapped or stamped the whole rhythm. I know basically the rhythm. I'll click here. That's my first note. If I were to, for me it helps to sing the solfege. Right, this is how I learned it. So I would go do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do. Hey, not bad, a little flat. Right. So I just, but you know, that helps me. If you're learning for the first time, sing La. La, 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 la. Alright, you get the point. If you press next, it'll give you a similar exercise. Follow the steps. Look at the rhythms. Look at the highest note, the lowest note, and see if you can kind of play it in your mind first. This example is only using C, D, E, F, G, la 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 la. But in the actual exam, they'll give you some stuff that's a little bit harder. I mean, not too much harder. I hope that it helps a little bit. How about we do this? We'll play through one example, and then I'll sing it, and you can check it. Right. So take a second, pause this video, try this example on your own. Now I'm going to sing it and see how you did. The first one. Do, re, re, mi, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, do. Oh boy, it's real sharp. Let's try another one. Look at the rhythms. Look at the contour of the melody. If you drew a line from here all the way through, is it going up? Is it going down? Through the note heads, right? Is it jumping, skipping? I think these are all steps. Take a second, pause this video, and go ahead and clap it. Go ahead and try to sing it. This is my first note. I'm going to sing in La. La, 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 la. La 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 la. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do one more. Take a second, take stock of it. Just look at all the notes. And do the rhythm in your head. I'll make it a little faster for it to be. Okay, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to play it. La, 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 la. La 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 la.
Have a good weekend. Don't worry, I was saying have a good weekend.
Thank you.
See ya.
Okay, you too, Bunsby. Okay, so that's my strategy. It's scan, rhythms, melodic contour. Look for steps and leaps. Right now we're in the key of C, so you're in the diatonic key of C. So you're not going to be worried about any funky modes or anything. Just major key. Try your best with that. I'm sorry, I'm yawning in your face. Try your best with it. See what happens. And try this Sight Reading Factory stuff over the weekend. Sight Reading Factory level 1. Even if you get it wrong, maybe, a couple drills with this will help a little bit. Okay, good luck.